Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy, the Nerdy Gaming Keeper. So today we're gonna be drawing Majin Boo, guys. I'm really excited. Or Super Boo, whatever you guys want to call him. But yeah, guys, we're super close to 250. We're literally like 25 subscribers away. So let's legit like grind, and I will be doing a giveaway. Sorry if my voice sounds a bit like sick. I am a bit sick, so yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Last night in my dream